Let's talk about this unnecessarily ultra woke society that we live in. The extra sensitive, everything hurts my feelings, everything you say that I don't like, now we have beef, and now I need to go cancel you because you should not be allowed to say those things because those things hurt my feelings. Let's talk about that shit. And you got your hero, Barack Obama, doubling down. I saw a video, a YouTube clip, and I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video, and I'm gonna put that clip in the description section. This video of him saying that, basically in a nutshell, I can't quote him verbatim, but you guys will see. Free speech should be censored even more. So he's basically doubling down on the censorship of free speech. And this is y'all king. This is y'all savior. This is y'all, according to a lot of you niggas. He can do no wrong. This motherfucker walks on water and shit, according to some of you niggas. Not realizing and not paying attention that this nigga is one of the henchmen, the leading henchmen to censor you everywhere. Everywhere on social media. He doesn't want you to speak your mind. He doesn't want you to have an opposing point of view. Whether you're right or wrong, you come to a conclusion and you come to a situation. If you want to solve a problem, one person views the problem this way and their intentions, they say they're going to approach it this way. And you got on this other side, this person disagrees. They say we should approach the problem this way. The problem is the media is in bed with one side. So even if that side is blatantly wrong and it will be proven in the future that they're wrong, they're in bed with that side. So they're not even willing to listen to the other side to have a very logical conversation, to actually come to a conclusion to solve a problem. They don't want to do that. They want to censor the other side. So there's only one side that gets heard. There's only one side that everybody is going to get in bed with and follow. And this is what mainstream media has done. And you've all seen it. You've all seen it. Some of us still have video clips and articles saved of what was said in 2000, the beginning of the pandemic. And people were saying things at that time and getting accounts banned and deleted for coming with a different point of view to a damn bus coming down the wrong side of the street. What the hell? Anyway. But people was having different points of view even in the beginning. And now, as 2 years later, it's turning out that a lot of those things that were said back then, that people got their accounts deleted and banned for, a lot of those things are turning out to be true. See, this is what happens when you got too much wokeness in society. Don't choke being woke. Because that's exactly what's happened. You're going to choke yourself financially and career-wise on trying to be woke versus logic and reason. And if you're not even willing to have a conversation, because a lot of these people, even if a conversation is attempted to be had, it quickly turns into them calling you names and stuff like that. And in some cases, doxing you and, oh, look at this person's record, look at this, look at that. But what about the argument? What about the problem that we're currently talking about right now? What about that shit? Why are you distracting and trying to deflect somewhere else? Let's talk about that. But that's a problem in this ultra woke society. Don't choke being woke. Being woke used to mean something. It used to be a positive affirmation. It used to be something to look forward to becoming. But see, back then, you would look forward to becoming woke because you were moving in a positive direction. You were still coming to the truth as far as the conclusion. You was unbiased back then. You just wanted to know what the truth was. But now it's not a matter of wanting to know the truth, seeking the truth, or any of that. It doesn't matter. And this sickness, this disease way of thinking has bled into politics, to where the decision makers and the lawmakers are making laws and decisions based off feelings instead of discussions and really trying to figure things out. They don't want to do that. They don't want to talk. They don't want to figure things out. They want to go by their feelings. The problem with feelings is one minute you feel like this, the next minute you feel like that. You can't govern society like that. That's bullshit. And anybody with an ounce of common sense knows that. And that's exactly the problem. It's a problem. But we can't afford, as a society, we can't afford to let this problem fester and keep going on and on and on. Because, I'm on this side of the aisle, so whatever you say, I disagree with. I don't care how much facts you got backing up what you're saying. This is why things that were said 2 years ago are proven to be correct now. And the people that were canceling people 2 years ago, mysteriously, they have nothing to say about their position 2 years ago that has turned out to be factually wrong. Very interesting. Anyway, that's my thoughts on that. You guys like my comment? You guys like my commentary? You guys like my content? Like, share, and subscribe. Show support. Hit the Cash App. Cobra Clutch 357. I'll holler at y'all later.